Hello dear students, in this video I am going to teach you how to insert specific column values into a table. How to insert a specific column value within a table. So we will use the same insert into command that we have used in our previous video, but this time we are going to insert only specific field values. Like in previous video we have inserted values for each column of our table, like for value 1, value 2, value 3 and value 4. Since we had 4 columns, then we provided 4 values. But if we need to skip one field value, like in case of this query, you can see that the command syntax is like insert into table name, field 1, field 3 and field 4. So we are here skipping field 2. That means in our table field 1 is employee ID, field 2 is employee name. So employee name is missing and we are just jumping towards field 3, which is department name, and then field 4, which is salary of that employee. So to insert such a record in which one field value is missing, this syntax will be used. So insert into table name, and then we need to specify the field names for which we are going to insert values. And in this field names, order of field name is very important, because the order that you use here for each field value or each field name will be actually used to insert values for these fields. So here values attribute is used exactly in the same way like we have used in our previous video. Value for field 1, value for field 3 and value for field 4. Here we are missing value for field 2, since field 2 is not here in our field names list. Okay, so example query will be insert into EMP, EID, which is first field name, department, which is third field name, salary, which is fourth field name, and then values attribute. And inside this values attribute we are providing 3 values: 103 for employee ID, advertisement for employee's department name, and 45,000.00 for salary. So here we are missing employee name, since we are using only employee ID, department and salary in this query. So we are missing one field. So for a field that we miss, like if we miss one field value, then database management system will store a default value for that column or that field of the of a table, and that default value is null. So here we'll have a practical of this query, like to insert a record by missing one field value. So the same will be used like we have learned in this syntax: insert into table name, and then field names list, and then values attribute, and then values for only those fields for which we have provided field names in our field name list. So insert into table name, and then field name 1, field name 1 is ID, field name 3 is department, and field name 4 is salary, then values attribute, and then we will specify value. For ID we are using value 107, for department I am using value sales, and for salary I am using 75,000.45. so after closing this bracket I am using this semicolon. Again repeat the syntax like insert into EMP, and then field name list. Field name list will have only those field names for which we are actually interested to insert certain values, and we will miss those field names for which we want to skip field values. So ID, department and salary. But as we can see that in our table we have 4 fields: ID, name, department and salary. So name is basically missing here. So while skipping name, we will use values attribute in this way: 107 for ID, sales for department, and 75,000.45 for salary of that employee. So if we do not if we want to skip a particular field value, then we need to specify each and every field name here. Otherwise, like previous query, we don't need any we didn't use any field name here, like we are using field name in this query: ID, department, salary. But in this query, while inserting values for all the columns of a table, we we didn't use any field name list here. So insert into table name direct values, but in this case insert into table name and then field list and then values, and values will be provided for only those field values for which field name is given in this field list. So while I'm pressing enter, this field value is inserted into our table and missing one particular value for a particular column that we need to miss. If you want to miss salary attribute for this table, then you can use insert into emp, then id that we need to insert, and then name, and then department. Since we don't need to specify salary, therefore I'm missing here salary. So after skipping this salary value, values attribute will be there, 108 for employee ID, and then name of employee is here Rahul, and then department name is IT, and here I'm missing salary attribute, salary value, and just closing this bracket, semicolon, enter. Now this record is entered very successfully without any particular problem. So to insert a record skipping certain column value, we can use this insert into command having column list or field name list and values attribute, and by providing values for particular values for only those columns for which field name is provided in this field name list. Okay, what happened when we provide only 3 field values and using the default structure of insert into table command and that we have used in our previous command, like insert into emp values? Here I have provided 4 values, but if I skip one value, then what will happen? Let's try. Insert into emp values. Here I am missing that field name list here, and we know that if we miss field name list, then it's compulsory that we need to specify all field values of a table. But now I am deliberately missing one value, like I have provided 101 for employee ID, and then here Krishna for name of employee, and then direct salary 80,000.65. As I complete this query and press enter, here we have an error from MySQL. Column doesn't exist, column count doesn't match value count as row 1. It's saying that column count doesn't match, means here column count is 4 and we have provided values for only 3 columns. Therefore this error is basically prompt here, and to avoid this error we have to specify 4th field value, that means for value for department name. So here department where I specify cells. Now this query is completed, and while pressing enter, this record is accepted from our MySQL database management system. So in this way we can insert any record into our table having all field names or missing certain field names as per our situation. Thank you.